First of all, very warm welcome to our YouTube channel, Telesuffer, and we are very delightful to host you for this interview. My very first question is how Ria became a TikTok star. I mean, was that your बचपन का सपना types या फिर
No. I mean, not at all. I mean, I have done my graduation in finance. I had no plans to, become a social media influencer. In fact, I was a person who used to hardly post pictures on Instagram, and my account was also private. So I was never crazy about these things. But one day, one of my friends, he just randomly took a video, which was a very cute, and random video, which people really liked. तो वो वीडियोस को मिलियन व्यूज आए एंड देन एवरीवन वाज वेरी हैप्पी सो आफ्टर दैट people actually demanded कि आप और वीडियोस बनाओ तो that was the time when I started and people actually started liking me okay my videos तो वो बहुत अच्छी थी एंड इस तरीके से वो चीज की शुरुआत हुई मैंने कुछ प्लान नहीं किया था इनफैक्ट जब टिकटॉक इतना ज्यादा ट्रेंड नहीं था बट था कहीं ना कहीं मार्केट में तभी मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड्स थे जो बनाते थे एंड आई वाज लाइक छी ये क्या कर रहे हैं ये लोग बट देन वो चीज मुझे कहाँ से कहाँ लेके गई आप देख सकते हो सो इट हैज गॉट अ ड्रास्टिक चेंज इन माय लाइफ
so basically you can say your friend has bought you here wherever you are right now.
Yeah. Somewhere or the other, he has a very big contribution because he was someone who was very photogenic and who likes to click videos and taking snaps of wherever you go. And I'm not like that. So uski ye quality ke wajah se and he pushing me like you're doing it really nice. People really like you, your expressions, which was obviously I was not trained. So this is how it started.
Can you name that friend?
His name is Bilal.
Okay.
Yeah. Everyone, I mean, in my family, in my friend circle, everyone knows about him. He is such a good friend since like childhood. We have grew up together. There are a lot of things he knows about me, a lot of things I know about him. So yeah. So I think everyone should have that friend who pushes you to do best in life. I think everyone should have that friend.
So you were upset when TikTok got banned, right?
No, I think I was not because मेरे काफी जो crowd है, I mean थोड़ा बहुत maybe you can say because there was 5 million fans on TikTok and Instagram पे अभी 500 के हुए हैं थोड़ा सा upset थी मैं but इतना नहीं थी because Instagram was there. So and I was like कि अगर आपके अंदर टैलेंट है अगर आपके अंदर वो हार्ड वर्क करने की क्वालिटी है तो आप दूसरे किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे अपनी जगह बना सकते हो आई गेस सो बिकॉज किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे
and you are the most second highest followed girl from Splitsvilla on Instagram.
Yeah.
Congratulations for that. Most probably you will soon become most followed girl on Instagram from Splitsvilla. Okay, so after TikTok and music videos, why you choose Splitsvilla? Was that for trophy? Was that for fame? Or just pyar or connection?
It was actually, first of all, everyone has, I mean, if you see, teenagers are crazy about Splitsvilla. Young generation is crazy about Splitsvilla. And I had also watched in the past when I was a kid, when I was in college. But I was never crazy or, again, it was not my dream to be part of Splitsvilla. But Ashish Bhatia was the grand finalist of last season. And because of the social media work, we met and he's my best friend. So he suggested me to experience this reality show. I actually auditioned for it. Audition mein you have to go on a date, you have to have that quality, how will you impress? आपकी एक हटके personality होनी चाहिए, when people take you on reality show. So I got selected and I was like, what? I was selected for the main show. I was like, okay. And then I asked everyone, should I? And show पे select होने के बाद भी मैं, I was confirming Ashish and my parents कि पक्का जाऊँ ना. And I was like, yeah, you should definitely go ahead and try something new in life.
Okay.
And this is my first reality show. So कहीं ना कहीं से start होना था मेरा.
So what do you think was your quality? What made you to Splitsvilla?
So I think there are a lot of different sides of personality of mine. So on audition, when I was auditioning, and what I am in real life is I'm very open-minded and एकदम बिंदास जो है वो बोल देती हूँ. And audition में there was this date, and I had used really nice pickup lines to impress whoever was taking the audition. So all these things were there. But when I entered the show, I think everything changed. Everything just changed.
Okay, so coming towards that, what was the first thing that you got attracted to Shivam?
First of all, I think each and everyone asked me, actually क्या होता है, स्पिट्सविला मुझे मैं ज़्यादा follow नहीं करा था कभी, to be very honest, and that's why I think so I didn't played well. So I just needed a guy, बस एक लड़का ढूंढ लो इसके साथ आपको perform करना है. That's it, because you can't alone survive on the show. तो बस मुझे था कि एक्चुअली क्वारंटीन में लड़कों का ग्रुप ऑलरेडी बन चुका था स्प्लिट्सविला में. ओके, क्वारंटीन में ऑलरेडी लड़के मिल चुके थे. सो आई मेट दिस जय, निखिल एंड शिवम एंड अदिति एंड पलक, मेरे बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड्स बन गए थे. तो ये ऑलरेडी चीज डे 1 पे हो चुकी थी. तो मैंने शिवम से बात कर ली, मतलब हाँ ठीक है, ठीक लग रहा है बंदा, तो देखते हैं इसके साथ ही कर लेते हैं आगे. बट देन थिंग्स चेंज्ड. And when the mistake is आपको किसी को भी easily judge नहीं करना चाहिए. एक या दो दिन में तो बिल्कुल नहीं करना चाहिए मुझे लगता है. तो मैंने वो चीज थोड़ी घाई कर ली, I guess so.
Okay.
But also like जो बहुत ऐसे बोलता रहता है and like जिसको जो है वो मुंह पे बोलता है. He was very daring, so yeah.
So you regret your decision right now of choosing Shivam as your partner?
It's not just me. I'll be very honest. It's not just me. It's the overall audience. Maybe you can say 70 to 75% of my followers, they DM me, and whenever I do ask me question on my Instagram, so people say that you have chose a wrong partner for yourself. You should have chosen someone else who would have stayed loyal to you, who would have who was a better performer when it comes to performance, and all that lot of stuff people said. And after watching episodes, even my parents said that. So that's good.
Okay. So your parents too said that you choose a wrong partner.
They were very upset with me. They were not upset with other contestants or my friends or whoever, but they were upset with me choosing a wrong guy for myself and not even switching after knowing that he's a wrong guy.
Yeah. So just a fun question. Tell me your thoughts on Shivam's shairis.
I have never been. I come from a generation. I come from a background where we don't use much shairis. We don't listen to much shairis. That was something new that when I went, and बोला अच्छा ऐसे भी लड़के होते हैं क्या? Like that. So it was cute. It was nice. I mean, that was something different. Different quality of him from other people. Expressing feelings through shairis, and it's not easy. So that was a good thing, I guess.
Okay. So now if you had been given a chance to choose among the boys, who would you have picked up?
I would have chosen Gary or maybe Vyomesh.
Why?
Because so first Gary and Vyomesh both were not Vyomesh, but Gary was a very sweet guy. He was a very nice guy, and हमारी बातचीत थी because he was also part of Boom Bam Gang and Let's Do It Gang, both of the gangs. And Vyomesh, because I had chosen him on online auditions and he was very sweet. वो तो वहां जाके मुझे शिवम के साथ में रहना था. Otherwise उसमें हमारे बीच में काफी लड़ाई हुई. We were from other gangs. Many people not used to like him, but he never disrespected me, I guess, even after the show ended. And now we are very good friends. So I thought कि वो सच में, तो मेरा जो perception था उसको लेके that he's a very sweet guy, it was true when I saw the.
ओके, सो आपके और व्योमेश के बीच में एक छोटा सा डोम सेशन के अंदर एक छोटी सी फाइट हुई थी रिगार्डिंग यू डिड नॉट प्रमोट हिम एंड ही वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग समथिंग एल्स. तो फिर भी आपको लगता है यू शुड हैव गॉन फॉर व्योमेश and even he was the most confused guy right till now, as we have seen first Bhumika, then Arushi, and
I think if I would have paired up with him, he wouldn't have been this confused because he had said कि काश आपने मुझे silver arrow दिया होता at least, you know, he would have done something. मैं आपके लिए लड़ता. He thought कि क्योंकि ऑनलाइन ऑडिशन में हम मिले हैं तो मे बी शो पे भी हम शायद कनेक्शन बना सकते हैं. Somewhere in his mind it was like that. So I think, and he was one of the strong performers. उसने एक भी task वो नहीं हारा था. So I think that would have been the best option according to me. For me.
Okay, so whom do you think is the most underrated or overrated contestant?
Underrated and overrated contestant. Okay. I think everyone is getting the equal amount of love they deserve. I mean, love or hate, whatever it is, according to their task or their relationship, their friendships, and their behavior in the episode. So I think audience is pretty right. I don't think so कि कोई भी underrated है. Everyone has given their best. And overrated, I think it's Kevin.
Why?
Because I think on the show there were many other guys who had potential, who were really good performers, but just because he was from Roadies, वो ज़्यादा hype कर दिया था वहाँ पे लोगों ने, contestants ने बहुत उस चीज़ का hype कर दिया था, तो उतना needed नहीं था, I guess. ऐसा मेरी सोच है.
Why didn't you change the connection in between if you really felt कि शिवम आपके लिए सही लड़का नहीं है?
Because we were in the same group, and somewhere in my mind I was scared to, you know, pair up with someone else because maybe I would have not been the priority in other group because day one से मैं दूसरे group की थी, you know. I hope you're getting my answer because मुझे दूसरे group में नहीं जाना था because I was scared कि वहाँ पे मैं least priority रहूंगी, वहाँ पे जब बारी आएगी बचाने की या कुछ भी होगा, so maybe they won't consider me as their first priority. Obviously उनके दूसरे लोगों को वो priority देंगे. So that was the reason I didn't want it to switch. And I would have been a great problem अगर एक बंदा दूसरे ग्रुप से और मैं दूसरे ग्रुप से हूँ, मुझे अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ रहना है, उसको अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ रहना है. So I think a couple on the Spitzer should be एक ही फ्रेंड्स के ग्रुप में रहते हैं तो ज्यादा बेटर होता है वो. ऐसा मुझे तभी लगा था. So that's why I decided to, you know, not quit the group.
But you know, you had some कुछ insulting चीजें भी बोली गई आपके बारे में, IQ को
Like
लेके, shoes talk, and which was not needed.
yeah, exactly, because it was not at all needed, you know. क्या होता है ना, sometimes what you behave with others also show about yourself. कि मतलब आप जैसे दूसरों के साथ behave करते हो, कहीं ना कहीं बताता है वो आपके बारे में कि आपका character कैसा है. It reflects your character. So I think Shivam wanted I don't know what was his reason to ज़्यादा उसे footage मिले, ज़्यादा controversies हो या वो अपने आप को superior दिखा सके. So I don't think so कि उसको ये चीज करने की जरूरत थी. I really don't know the reason why he did it. वो उसे footage चाहिए थी या क्या चाहिए था या क्या reason था. I have no clue about it because it was just pointless, I think.
So being his connection, why didn't you try to talk to him कि हमेशा लड़ाई झगड़ा करता है and
We did. So on the show, what happened is it was just once that we had a fight when I was pretty sure and I was pretty confident कि अगर ये व्योमेश से लड़ेगा तो ये जिता देगा क्योंकि ये इतना बोलता है. But जब वो tug of war हुआ था तभी वो हार गया था. And I was like shit, मैं फालतू में इतना over confident हो रही थी, you know, about my partner. So I think तभी जब लड़ाइयाँ हुई थी सेकेंड डोम में, बस तभी लड़ाइयाँ हुई थी. उसके बाद इट वाज नॉट इतना कुछ मेजर फाइट्स हुआ नहीं था. तभी हमारे बीच में सब कुछ नॉर्मल चल रहा था. जब हिज दिस चैलेंज हुआ था उसके बाद जब डोम में जयरीति कंपैटिबल हुए थे तभी तक सब कुछ बहुत परफेक्ट चल रहा था, आई गेस. So there was this time relationship was perfect. It was not relationship, I think connection. I shouldn't use that word.
One thing was also noticed that you weren't that much vocal when Shivam had a fight with others. I mean, everybody, Arushi, Palak, everyone kind of backed their partners, but you tried to remain silent, even if people were attacking on you.
Because you know what, जब मैं वहां रहती थी, जब you know like एपिसोड में तो आपको सिर्फ 1 घंटा बताते हैं, but we are there 24/7. So मुझे कहीं ना कहीं लगता था कि he is talking too much, he is just talking, मतलब there is no valid reason of fighting. Even I had said in the same thing there. He was like, why don't you fight? I'm like, I only fight when there is valid reason. Like in the first dome itself, when Vyomesh had decided कि मैं रिया को dump करूंगा, so I fought very well because I know that I'm not wrong and वो चीज valid थी. But उसके बाद मुझे उसका जो भी fights था, it was just I think because he's in reality show. मुझे valid कभी नहीं लगा उसका लड़ाई. He was every time fighting whole season, all dome. So I did not like it. You know, fight. He's also speaking too much. I'm also, you know, fighting for invalid reasons. I was feeling कि बहुत stupidity है, and that's why I didn't say much.
Okay. So, why did you choose to perform the elimination task? I mean, it is just like, "Ah, bhais, mujhe maar."
Exactly. So even if I choose myself कि चलो ठीक है, I want to perform. So I regret कि I would have not chosen. You know, past is past. It's done. After watching the episodes and you know when I got evicted, I realized कि mistake की है. But I think we all do mistakes in life. So I can't change it. Unfortunately, you can't. So
Okay. So, what do you think went wrong during the task? I mean, your strategy, or you
I
think
think
somehow
100%.
you performed well?
I think Jay also from my team performed well because uh, ध्रुव बीच में थक गया था, वो डाल नहीं पा रहा था weights, and I don't know, they have not showed this in the episode, but the more amount of weight was you know put it by Jay on व्योमेश, जहाँ पे भूमिका थी उसके स्केल पे जय ने ज्यादा weights डाले थे compared to ध्रुव. Jay did perform well,
You
but somewhere
just a thing. Your friends mentioned in between कि सपना was trying to cheat. वो shake कर रही थी
he
balance को.
was moving, he was moving a lot. And I think Shivam ka weight comparatively to Vyomesh, if you see, there was a lot of weight difference. Sapna ka weight ज़्यादा था, Shivam वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा हल्का है, you know, and उसके इतने biceps बड़े नहीं है जितने व्योमेश के बड़े biceps है. So ऐसा होता है. And टास्क परफॉर्म करने के पहले ही शिवम हवे में था. He was already in air. उसके पैर जमीन पे भी नहीं थे. And that was a moment when मेरे को समझ गया था कि भाई it's going to be tough for me. But I gave my 100% till the end. मैंने हाथ तो नहीं छोड़ा था. But you know, weights की वजह से वो सारी चीजें हो गई, I guess.
Okay. So Splitsvilla से eliminate होके when you went to Wild Villa, what was in your mind कि अब क्या करना है?
So, first of all, I was very sweet. जब Splitsvilla चल रहा था, I was not fighting with anyone. I was just being too nice. And I realized that even in fact you're so nice, you know, with people without any reason, they still backstab. They are not that loyal to you, or you know, कोई किसी का नहीं रहता game में. So I had in my mind that I'll play for myself and I'll give my 100% to go back to Splitsvilla.
So what is your real personality? I mean, who Ria is, what we see in Splitsvilla
So,
or in
uh,
Wild Villa?
I think Wild Villa is someone that I'm real in life, to be very honest. So this was my first national television पे मेरा पहला reality show था, and somewhere you know I was very conscious about how will I look in front of the TV as a personality. I'm not saying about physical appearance because मैं अच्छे से सुनाती हूँ. I do abuse, I do fight a lot. I mean, people have seen in Wild Villa the real side of me. I didn't want it to do in Splitsvilla. I wanted to look like an innocent girl because somewhere I was image conscious, you know. Somewhere I was very image conscious, and that's why I didn't fight much. I was very silent. So, but when I went to Wild Villa, when I got evicted, so I realized that I would have been myself, you know, the way I am, the way I stand up for myself, the way I fight. I don't care about who, जो मेरे साथ friends रहता है नहीं रहता है and all that. So I would have been, you know, the same way in Splitsvilla. I regret my personality, actually.
Okay, so the real Ria is who we are seeing right now in Wild Villa.
Exactly. Exactly.
So as soon as you entered Wild Villa, you had a fight with Azma, and you constantly had fights with Azma. What was the reason for that?
There was no particular reason actually. I never expected. Asma, somewhere was thoda bahut अच्छी friend थी मेरी सिलसिला में. So I didn't expected that, she will target me like anything when I come just. And the reason you won't believe was she's the strongest competition. So people always, tried a reason to put me in the elimination zone, and a lot of stuff happened in Wild Villa. Asma, Asma's nature was not just with me. It was with Janvi. It was with other people as well. It was a strategy to behave like that on the reality show to entertain people. I think so. Because after the show, I know her in real, and जैसे तैसे show end हो रहा था. So we had become very good friends, and we were regretting कि हम दोनों को मिलके दूसरों की बजानी चाहिए थी, और हम एक दूसरे की बजा रहे थे. So things ended up very well actually between me and Asma.
So you had a lot of things to learn from this reality show, right? I guess.
One thing that be yourself, and don't hold things that people. It's like sometimes you give too much for a friendship or maybe for a connection just because you don't want to lose them. So I think balance hona chahiye, ek equal balance hona chahiye. If you want to be that connection or friendship to be there, सामने वाले person को भी वो चीज maintain करना चाहिए, उसके भी efforts दिखने चाहिए, no matter what. I think so. And ज्यादा इतना sweet जैसे मैं real life में कभी थी नहीं. मुझे लगा show friends banane ke liye, group mein rehne ke liye, you have to be nice, but actually you don't have to. You just have to be yourself.
Next, we are gonna watch on Wild Villa. I mean, is there more to come? More personalities to be revealed?
There's a lot more to see in Wild Villa. I have performed like I have always been a strong competitor. It's just that क्या होता है जब आपके खुद के लोग आपको दुनिया के सामने डम प्रूव करते हैं कि वीक है ये है, तो दुनिया भी उस चीज का मानती है. यही अगर मेरे पास एक अच्छा पार्टनर होता जो सपोर्टिव होता, जो मुझ में बिलीव करता. शिवम didn't knew anything about me before coming on the show. I was a revealed contestant and everyone knew that I'm a strong competitor, I'm a strong contestant. But he was the one who used to put a picture of me ki she's weak, she's dumb, she's that, which made me feel very sad actually. So you should always be with people who bring out the best in you, who believe in you. Second, if you see Wild Villa, people will come to know more about me, how strong I am as a personality, how strong I am as a performer. So yeah, people should definitely watch it.
Okay, so after Wild Villa, what are we gonna watch? I mean, fictions, TV serials, more music videos, or reality movies?
Definitely, there are going to be more music videos coming up. But right now, I am not going to work for TV serials actually, because I have never been interested in over dramatic things. You can see in Splitsvilla, I was not interested being part of dramas and other people. So I will be. I had also said previously that I'm going to be part of some web series. There's some projects going on, but I can't confirm with the name. So you will have to wait and watch me in web series. Guys, so do subscribe to Telesuffer and do like, share, and comment on this video.